guitar rhythm. Heavy melody, bass line enter. Yo, feel the vibration. Yeah, man.
My little wooden shack, watching the ocean, never looking back. White sun shining like a diamond in the sun. Life in the slow lane has just begun. The salty breeze is kissing my skin, feeling the peace from deep within. Sweet smoke rising, drifting to the sky. Natural healing, keeping me high. No more clocks, no more city noise, just me and the ocean finding my joy. Oh, in my shack by the sea, with the earth by my side, letting all the worries wash away with the tide. This is the happiness, this is the liberty, living my life wild and free. Rastafari calling, soul is at ease, floating away on the summer breeze. Feet in the sand, feeling so grounded. By the beauty of Jah I am surrounded. Green leaves of Zion, my faithful friend. On this island vibe, I hope it never ends. Sipping coconut water under the shade. The best memories are the ones we just made. Freedom is a state of mind. Leave the Babylon system far behind. No gold, no silver, just a soul that's bright. Everything's gonna be alright.